Train journeys in India have a way of slowing your thoughts. The world is rushing past the window, but you still remain in the moment. Namaste, hello, welcome, or welcome back. On one of my train travels, I was lucky to find an entire coach to myself. Needless to say, I made the most of it by painting, reading, and just being. I'll show you what I painted in the train this day, but first, let me quickly show you my travel painting kit. So, this was actually a passport holder that I have turned into a travel art kit. I have a ruler here and my paintbrushes, and here's a mini watercolor box. This one was super inexpensive, priced at just rupees 30. Then, of course, I have my tiny little sketch pad, or more like a doodle pad, because I'm no professional artist. Now, these aren't watercolor sheets, but these are thick enough for a quick watercolor doodle and ink and pencil practice. Then I have an HB pencil for light sketching. I also have this mechanical pencil with 0.5 mm lead. You need this sometimes for those clean, precise lines. Then there's a box of leads as well. The best part of this is it goes for a long time without having to sharpen or reload even. Next in my travel kit, I have a gold gel pen. I don't like gold as such, but for my doodles, I love adding a bit of it sometimes. It's like little pixie dust or magic dust. That's how I think of it. I use this fine tip pen for ink work or zen doodles and for clean, precise lines and outlines in my drawing practices. Next, I have a white gel pen. Like the gold gel pen, I use this one too for special effects, like highlights mostly. I sometimes draw with these on black or brown sheets. Then I have this essentials here, a pencil sharpener and an eraser. These are just the basic must-haves in any art kit, right? If you have watercolors in your art kit, then it's obvious you need to have a small bowl or a small dish with some depth to hold water. I am repurposing a lid of some plastic jar for this. At home, I have ceramic and glass tumblers for my watercolor practice, but it is convenient to use plastic when on the go for obvious reasons. And now is the time for the art reveal. This is what I sketched in this journey: the train window and a little scenery outside it. Do you have a travel art kit? What other supplies do you keep in yours? Comment below to let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Take care and keep creating.